Hi everybody, I'm Rajiv Sharma this time. Last time we had done few questions which were journal in nature, but this time we will be doing questions based on a single topic, and that topic is called coding decoding. As I had explained earlier, coding decoding in which a question will be given to you, it will be coded in some way, and then another word will be given to us and we have to code or decode it in a similar way. My first question is, if men is coded as min, M-I-N, woman is coded as W-U-M-I-N, how will you code child in a similar way? Now, as a layman will tackle it, I'll tell you how do they tackle it. Suppose they will analyze. So the question was, if men is coded as M-I-N and woman is coded as W-U-M-I-N, how will we code child in a similar way? A layman will try and solve it like this, that the first and the third remains the same. Even in women, the first, third and fifth remains the same. So what a layman will do is, even they will try, let us keep the first, third and fifth same, and there should be few changes in second and fourth. And if we go by our answer choices, we see that the C choice has the first letter as C, the third as, if we see the C choice, the first letter C is C, the third is I, and the fifth is D. We'll try to give C as the answer, which is not a correct choice. Why it is not a correct choice? If we see, child is written as child in C part, whereas there were few changes taking place in the second and the fourth. And if there are few changes taking place, we also need to make few changes. The second type, what many do is, that if the first and the third is same, they try and see the difference. For example, between E and I, there is a gap of 3 letters, E, F, G, H, leaving 3 letters, I. This would have been a very valid question, a very valid reason if the same was applicable here as well. But between O and U, there is a gap of 5 letters. After O, P, Q, R, S, T, and then U. If it would have been the same, that is 3 letters here and 3 letters here, it would have made a very valid and very strong reason. But since it is not happening, even this logic is wrong. The real logic is, if we analyze, the first is same, the third is same, why they are same, this we need to analyze. And the letters which are changing, we also need to analyze that what are these changes taking place. For example, E is converting to I, O to U, and E to I. If we analyze these are vowels. We have got 5 vowels in all, A, E, I, O, U. E is a vowel, so next vowel is I. O is a vowel, next vowel is U. So only the vowels are converting to next vowels, whereas the consonants, they remain same. So the answer would be C, H, L and D being consonants will remain same. I being a vowel will convert to next vowel, which is O, C-H-O-L-D. Therefore, the answer is A part. So therefore, A is the correct answer. Second question is very similar to the previous one. Rome is coded as S-U-N-I. Bombay is coded as C-U-N-C-E-Z. How will Asia be coded? Answer options are given to us, and we need to again analyze how it should be done. If we analyze, R is written as S, which is the next letter of R. M is written as N, which is again the next letter of M. Similarly, B to C, M, N, B, C and Y, Z. This was very easy to comprehend because these are the next letters. But after O comes P and after E comes F. After O comes P, after A comes B, which is not written. Again, we need to analyze what are these changes taking place. O converting to U, E to I, O to U, A to E. Again, these are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We have got 5 vowels. Consonants converts to next letter and vowel to next vowel. And in Asia, only S is a consonant. Therefore, for S, T will be written, the next letter. But the rest are vowels. A is a vowel, next vowel is E. I is a vowel, next vowel is O. A is a vowel, next vowel is E. So the answer becomes ETOE, which was given to us in B choice. Therefore, B is the correct answer. My next question is, survive is coded as VRIUVSE. How is monsoon be written in a similar way? The four options are given to us. Now how to analyze such type of questions. The question was, if survive is coded as VRIUVSE, how are we supposed to code monsoon as? Now if we check, all the letters of the code are taken from the letters of the word itself. There are no alien letters. By alien letter I mean there is no letter in the code which is not given to us in the word. Whenever we find such type of coding decoding question, the purpose should not be to check the difference, which we were doing earlier. We were checking the difference or the next letter was coming. But in this case, we need to make a formation. How to make a formation? Because all the letters are taken from the word. The first two letters VR are actually the fourth and the third letter. The next two letters IU is fifth and the second. The next two VS is sixth and the first. And the last letter remains the same. If we check, there is a concrete formation being made. Now the same formation we should apply on the word monsoon. The first two letters were the fourth and the third. The next two was fifth and the second. So fifth and the second is OO. The next two is sixth and the first, which is OM. And last letter remains the same, is N. Therefore the option is SNOOMN, which was given to us in A choice. Therefore A is the correct answer. Fourth question is, if April is coded as BQSJM, how will you write green? The answer options are given to us. Now this is relatively a simpler question. If you ask me, this is a very simple question. The question was very simple. If April is coded as BQSJM, so how are we supposed to code green in a similar way? Now this is very easy to analyze. After A comes B, after P comes Q, after R comes S, after I comes J, and after L comes M. So we'll do the same thing in green. So after G comes H, after R comes S, after E comes F, after E comes F, after N comes O. So the answer is HSFFO, and which is given to us in D choice. Therefore the answer to question number 4 is HSFFO D part. Fifth question is, premonition is coded as 6853049290. How will you code monitor as? The four options are given to us. The question was, if premonition is coded as 6853049290, how will we code monitor in a similar way? Now a student can fall in the trap of this question if they will try and analyze this question. Suppose without doing the trick, if they want to find out why P is written as 6 or why R is written as 8, they can fall in the trap of this question. Otherwise, if somebody asks me, this is the easiest type of coding decoding question. What we need to do is, since all the letters of monitor are already given to us in premonition, try and find out any logic behind it. Simply do copy paste. That is, if for M 3 is written, here also 3 will be written. If for O 0 is written, 0. If for N 4 is written, 4. If for I 9 is written, 9. For T it is 2. For O it is 0. And for R it is 8. Since all the letters of monitor were already given to us in premonition, we need not try to find out the logic behind it, because this question doesn't have a concrete logic. Concrete logic, I mean, the numbers are arranged in a very haphazard manner. If you really ask me the reason, P is a letter number 16, the last digit is 6, therefore 6 is written. R is 18, the last digit is 8, therefore 8. E is 5, therefore 5. M is 13, so last digit is 3, so 3. But here the logic changes. O is letter number 15. Technically 5 should be written, but O0 is written. Therefore, why 0 is written? Because 5 was already given to some other letter, and therefore the logic changes. So in such type of questions, we need not find out any logic. Straight away we can do copy and paste, and the answer becomes A part. Therefore answer is A. Question number 6 is, If request is coded as S2R52TU, how will you code ACID in a similar way? Request was coded as S2R52TU. If we analyze, few letters are coded in letters, whereas few are coded in numbers. Those which are coded in letters are very easy. After R comes S, after Q comes R, after S comes T, and after T comes U. Now these are not alternate letters, therefore alternate is not an option with us. Some letters at random are coded as next letter, whereas for some, for example for E 2 is written, U 5 is written, and E again 2 is written. If we analyze E, U and E, and for these numbers are written, these are vowels. Again, there are 5 vowels in all, A, E, I, O, U. This time the vowels have been numbered from 1 to 5, which means A is a vowel number 1, E is a vowel number 2, I is a vowel number 3, O is 4 and E is 5. Now if we analyze the question again, E, which is a vowel number 2, is written as 2, U is a vowel number 5, therefore 5, E is 2, therefore 2. Now for vowel number is written, so for A 1 will be written, for I 3 will be written. Whereas C and D being consonants, next letter will be written. For C, D will be written. For D, E will be written. So the answer becomes 1D3E, which is our answer option D. Therefore, the answer to question number 6 is D part, D. Seventh question is, education is coded as OPJUBDVEF. How will you code market in a similar way? The question was, education is coded as OPJUBDVEF. So how will we code market? Now if we see O and E, some may analyze it as vowel to vowel or the previous vowel or leaving one vowel, anything of the sort. But between D and P there is no connection. Between U and J again no connection. Between C and U again no connection. So whenever we come across such a coding decoding question, we should also analyze it as the first and the last connection. Therefore, after N comes O, after O comes P, after I comes J, after T comes U, after A comes B, after C comes D, after U comes V, after D comes E, and after E comes F. So these are next letters but written in reverse order. So we should do the same thing on market. After T comes U, after E comes F, after K comes L, after R comes S, after A comes B, and after M comes N. Therefore, our answer is UFLSBN, which is given to us in B choice. Therefore, the answer is B. Eighth question is, right is coded as 99782. How will you code wrong? The 4 options are given to us. Now all the letters are coded in numbers, and this time if we analyze, few things can be taken out right away. I is our letter number 9, therefore 9 is written. G is our letter number 7, therefore 7 is written. H is our letter number 8, therefore 8 is written. But for R and T, R is our letter number 18, yet 9 is written. T is our letter number 20, yet 2 is written. So what has happened is, we have added the digits. For example, 1 and 8 added together gives us 9. And 20, 2 plus 0 gives us 2. So if there is a double digit, the numbers are added and taken into a single digit. For example, W's letter number is 23. 2 plus 3 is 5. R's letter number is 18. 1 and 8 is 9. O is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. N is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. G is 7. Therefore 7. Therefore our answer becomes 59657, which is given to us in C choice. Therefore answer to question number 8 is C. Ninth question is, if written is coded as 5522995, how will you code oral. The 4 options are given to us. Now let us analyze. Written was coded as 5522995. So how are we supposed to code oral as? Now W's letter number is 23, 2 plus 3 is 5, R is 18, 1 plus 8 is 9, but here again 5 is written. Therefore we need to analyze. This time the same thing is happening but in reverse order. 2 plus 3 is 5, but 5 is also written here. R is 18, 1 and 8 is 9, reverse order. I is 9, so 9. T is 20, so 2. T is 20, so again 2. E is 5, reverse order. N is 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. So we are adding up the digits and writing in reverse order. So we will do the same thing in oral. L is our letter number 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. A is 1, therefore 1. R is 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. And O is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6. Answer is 3196, which is given to us in A option. Therefore, answer to question number 9 is A. My 10th and final question for today's session is, refund is coded as OBCRKA. How will you code pot in a similar way? And the 4 answer choices are given to us. It's a very simple question, but a very silly mistake can be committed in this. For example, after O comes P, Q and then R, that is leaving 2 letters in between. B, C, D, E, again a gap of 2. C, D, E, F, again a gap of 2. R, S, T, U, again a gap of 2. K, L, M, N, gap of 2. And A, B, C, D, gap of 2. And many students will do the same thing but land up in trouble because they are not analyzing a basic factor of coding decoding. After P comes Q, R and S. After O, P, Q, R. After T, U, V, W. And most of the students give S, R, W as the answer, which was given to us in A choice, but it is a wrong option. Why it is a wrong option? Because what we have done is we have increased from pot to code. Whereas if you analyze the question, the increase is from code to word. In other words, the letters of code were less than the letters of word. So it was not to be written in this way. It should have been written like this. The increase should have been from code to word and not word to code. So it is M leaving NOP, L leaving MNO and Q leaving RST. So answer is MLQ, which is given to us in D choice. Therefore, the answer is D. I think you enjoyed today's session. Next time we will take up another very interesting topic called odd man out, and we'll do few various questions on odd man out. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.